Today we are here to talk about one-stop online shopping retailer website LAZADA. Before we start, I would like to introduce my team member, that is Yeong, Ying, Loh Jing Hui, Ying, Nurul, Nabilah, Clanie Foo Wai Nie, Annissa. LAZADA is one-shop online shopping website. It provides different categories, fast, secure, and convenient. LAZADA has functional and non-functional requirement, user interface, design principle, and API. It also has some comment and suggestion to LAZADA. Message buyer shall use the message box to interact with the seller to get more information of the items. Category: the website shall separate the item into groups because user can find the items according to the item's type. Language: the system shall provide two languages, which are English and Malay, to ensure that the user can understand more of the detail while browsing. Price control: users shall be able to use this function to determine the range of the product, and they are able to purchase the product within their budget. Buyer sign up: the system shall provide an interface for the user to create an account as a buyer. To add the items they want to buy into the cart, where they can change the specification of the items later in the cart, whether they want to delete, add, or lessen the quantity of the item. Order tracking: the user shall be able to track their order by entering their order number, and the website shall display status updates about the order with its tracking system. Search: registered and non-registered users can find any products by using any keyword on the search box. View: user can click on the product to view the details about the product. They shall be able to know well about the product that they want to buy before the payment.
Seller sign out: the user can sign out as a seller to sell their own product on the system. Customer service: the user shall be able to ask questions regarding their service experience through the customer service that has been provided. The system shall display the option of the service that they provide. Wishlist: the user shall be able to wishlist the item that they want by pressing the tiny heart icon. The user is able to find out what they have saved in their wishlist, and it can be edited. For non-functional requirements. Operational: the system should interface with the manufacturer management system. The system should interface with the manufacturer management system. The system should run on PC or mobile phone to use by the customer. Efficiency: list of products are arranged according to their specific category. Security: the system should use the 128-bit secure socket layer encryption technology when processing user financial detail. Performance: the system takes a minute to execute the creating account of searching products. Legal: there may be legal issues involving privacy of information, intellectual property right, export the restriction technology. Cultural and political: customer personal information is protected in compliance with the Data Protection Act.
Today we are here to talk about one-stop online shopping retailer website LAZADA. Before we start, I would like to introduce my team member, that is Yeong, Ying, Loh Jing Hui, Ying, Nurul, Nabilah, Clanie Foo Wai Nie, Annissa. LAZADA is one-shop online shopping website. It provides different categories, fast, secure, and convenient. LAZADA has functional and non-functional requirement, user interface, design principle, and API. It also has some comment and suggestion to LAZADA. Message buyer shall use the message box to interact with the seller to get more information of the items. Category: the website shall separate the item into groups because user can find the items according to the item's type. Language: the system shall provide two languages, which are English and Malay, to ensure that the user can understand more of the detail while browsing. Price control: users shall be able to use this function to determine the range of the product, and they are able to purchase the product within their budget. Buyer sign up: the system shall provide an interface for the user to create an account as a buyer. To add the items they want to buy into the cart, where they can change the specification of the items later in the cart, whether they want to delete, add, or lessen the quantity of the item. Order tracking: the user shall be able to track their order by entering their order number, and the website shall display status updates about the order with its tracking system. shows registered and non-registered users can find any products by using any keyword on the search box. View. User can click on the product to view the details about the product. They shall be able to know well about the product that they want to buy before the payment.
Seller sign out. The user can sign out as a seller to sell their own product on the system. Customer service. The user shall be able to ask questions regarding their service experience to the customer service that has been provided. The system shall display the option of the service that they provide. Wishlist. The user shall be able to wishlist the item that they want by pressing the Clanie Foo icon. The user is able to find out what they have saved in their wishlist and it can be edited. For non-functional requirements. Operational. The system should interface with the manufacturer management system. The system should interface with the manufacturer management system. The system should run on PC or mobile phone to use by the customer. Efficiency. List of products are arranged according to their specific category. Security. The system should use the 128-bit secure socket layer encryption technology when processing user financial detail. Performance. The system takes a minute to execute the creating account of searching products. Legal. There may be legal issues involving privacy of information, intellectual property right, export the restriction technology. Cultural and political. Customer personal information is protected in compliance with the Data Protection Act.
My name is Nurul Nabilah binti Saiiful Bahari. I will explain about user interface designs principle. User diversity. LAZADA provides the appropriate interaction facilities for different types of system user. LAZADA provides photo for every product to let buyers have better understanding about the product. LAZADA also user-friendly for color-blind people. LAZADA provides a place which is messenger for user to communicate with the seller. 2. User guidance. LAZADA provides a system which always assists user for 24 hours a day to ask about the problem faced by them while browsing the website. Also provide live chat service for all the users. LAZADA provides a search button to help users to find a product what they want. Minimal surprise. Number 3. As users browse through the website, they will expect that every comment stated on the website reflect exactly what they should be. Of the website is simple and real, understandable for user. The icons used for some of the process are appropriate. Number 5. Consistency. The font in the system, such as sizing and type of font, managed to be kept similar for different products. LAZADA websites, the interface and system display an appropriate level of consistency. Number 6. Recoverability. Error detection. This function will help user to recognize diagnoses as well as recovers from errors. That's all set principle.
Hello, my name is Annissa binti Ghazali, CC15152, and I will be presenting about API. Types of API that had been used in the case study. LAZADA Open Platform API. When people have a professional seller account, they can use API to sell products and manage their online business on LAZADA. LAZADA Open Platform enables the programmatic maintenance of products and orders. They might use the API to import products or to migrate orders into their accounting system. Seller API. LAZADA has seller APIs such as Get Seller, Seller Update and User Update. For Get Seller, LAZADA gets seller information by current seller ID. Then for Seller Update, LAZADA update the email address of seller who makes the call. For the User Update, LAZADA update the email address of user under the seller account. Upload Image API. This API is used to upload a single image file and accept binary stream with file content for sellers who want to upload one image at a time of their products on the website. This API connects the software with the medium that the sellers are using to open the browser for the software. Seller Center API. The Seller Center enables sellers to manage products and orders in their online stores, and the Seller Center API supports programmatic maintenance of products, orders, package shipment and finance. Update Price Quantity API. Use this call to update the price and quantity of one or more existing products. The maximum number of products that can be updated is 50, but 20 is recommended. This API connecting with database in order the seller want to change the price. Set Status to Cancelled API. Use this call to cancel a single item. It will be connecting with the database to cancel the item. Facebook API. It is a platform for building applications that are available to the members of the social network of Facebook. Facebook API allows applications to use social connections and profile information to make application more involving. LAZADA user can sign up their Facebook accounts to create a new LAZADA account. LAZADA App on Mobile API. Users are able to shop through LAZADA app to enjoy exclusive vouchers, better deals, personalized recommendation, and find out first which are something that PC users couldn't get without installing the app. Types of API that might improve the case study functionality or performance. Price Comparison API. This API enables to monitor the competitor's pricing point during the online business. For example, ASUS can link their product catalog to a price comparison API and receive automatic report to compare the product pricing levels to their competitors. Then, ASUS can analyze the information for price optimization. Therefore, they can sell in a right price to increase the sale and prevent losing profits. Image Compression API. This API helps to compress the image that are being uploaded into the website so that the size of the file would be reduced and the process would perform faster, hence increasing the performance of the website. Language API. LAZADA should be connecting the website with Google Translate so that it will automatically translate the languages into any desired languages, not just Bahasa and English only.
Assignment Part 3. Here are some comments about this LAZADA website. The first is placing a FAQ brochure inside LAZADA package. Customer doesn't always read instruction online, so that they can act quickly if items are damaged or they receive long item. The next is difficult to contact and slow response or update. Some customers have reported that they have tried contacting LAZADA but not able, and they have stated that they tried using the contact number provided but they did not mention whether they have tried to email LAZADA or other method. The next is missing image. Some items have image for specific color but none of the other colors. So LAZADA should remind all partners that they have to place image of what they are. Suggestion to use through their phone. Thank you. Some of them might not be able to fully understand what is happening on this website. Then is the more feature on website for mobile. The website on mobile has limited feature compared to the one on computer. This is a bit stressful since users are often asked to install the application on mobile whenever they want to use media front. Thank you. Conclusion. The success of Lazada retail business proves that e-commerce and online shopping have a future in the market as it is readily accepted by local shoppers. Lazada has impacted the internet business environment. E-commerce sites provide cheaper prices compared to if they are going to shop at smaller online shopping websites and traditional shopping malls. Guarantees that what they are getting are premium quality merchandise that is worth their money and time.